Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a registration account at Naval University Faisalabad. Basically it's a student e-registration account. So I'm going to show you how to register on it. The students are requested to go on their official website and then click on e-registration. After that they're gonna go for sign up. In sign up they would select their campus, as I am making it for Faisalabad campus, and the department name I'm going for a student of English department. Then their discipline, it's BS or MS English, so you would select according to your need and put the CNC number of the student without dashes. Okay, after that put the password here. You can select any random password according to your need. After that, your complete name that has been mentioned on your academic documents, and at the end you will select student registration number here. Okay G, we're going for sign up. Let's hope for the best, and I'm sure that the registration has been completed. Okay, so here we're gonna go and select the student ID and the password that you mentioned during sign up, and here is the account has been created for student of Naval University Faisalabad campus. So this was the short tutorial for Naval University Faisalabad campus students. Guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel on YouTube and press bell icon, and don't forget to watch infotainment.pk on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook as well as on Twitter, and don't forget to watch infotainment.pk.